The VolleyPal Solo Rebounder Trainer is an innovative tool that enhances volleyball skills by allowing players to practice serves, spikes, sets, and passes without the need to chase the ball. This training aid includes a comprehensive kit with 3-in-1 trainers, ergonomic setting straps, and durable emulsion cords, making it suitable for both beginners and experts. Constructed from high-quality 3,000 times neoprene and reinforced seams, it offers durability and adjustability, ensuring long-lasting use for repeated practice sessions. The trainer aids in skill development by improving toss accuracy, timing, and ball control, supported by over 45 drill eCards and 3 volleyball eBooks. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to set up in less than 60 seconds, allowing users to train effectively at home, the gym, the park, or the beach. With an elastic recoil feature, the VolleyPal can extend up to 22 feet, maximizing solo repetitions and enhancing overall training efficiency.